Good morning, Jeffrey. Today it's Thursday and it's our last day actually because tomorrow we have an additional day off. So enjoy your last day of work and enjoy your long weekend. So keep my fingers crossed for you to rest and let's hope the weather will be fine. So we will enjoy those days off. Okay. So the tasks for you. Today I would like you to practice maths, but counting. Okay, that's what we haven't done for a long time actually. So for operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division for you today. The file is uploaded on Google Drive and it's editable, of course. However, there is no need to do it online. You can print it out or just simply write down the answers in your math notebook. Okay, three possibilities as usually for you. So as you may see, some examples might be more challenging. However, don't be afraid to use the long division and long multiplication. So don't forget that we can count it that way as well. So you will just need a piece of scrap paper or your math notebook where you can count it that way. Okay? And if you want to have some more challenges from maths, don't forget about Mathletics. And as usually on Thursday, there will be some new books waiting for you on Back Club. So please choose one book, the one that you like, and read it. And first listen to it, complete the tasks, and then read it aloud. You can read aloud to your mommy, daddy, your brother or sister, grandma, grandpa, if you want to do it online, or just to me by recording a video. So many possibilities. The most important is to read. And then in your diary, I would like you to write some predictions about the world in 2120. So in 100 years, how the world will be, what the world will be. Okay? Be creative, be crazy if you want. Just write 5 or more if you want predictions about the world. Remember that to talk about the future and to make future predictions, we can use will. So here's a short, there are some rules about how to use will. And remember that the negative form is will not, so won't. So you can say that I will live in a big house when I'm older. She will have lots of pets. In 200 years, there won't be any coronavirus. And now your turn. 5 predictions about the future. If you want, I published the link to some games. The rules are on the web page, and there are 2 games. First one is a bit more boring. Okay, so the second one is more interesting, I would say, but you can play both of them, up to you. And then if you haven't played the homophones games yet, I still kept the links for you so you can practice the homophones online as well. And unit of inquiry. So first, I want you to watch the video about the renewable and non-renewable resources, but let's focus on renewable today. And then I would like you to make a poster about the importance of renewable resources. Why should we use them? If you don't have any ideas yet, don't worry. We are going to discuss it during our online lesson, just after the spelling test we are having today. And The last activity for the volunteers is an article. Can we produce energy by exercising? That's the question we are going to find the answer for. You can read the text or you may listen to the text. There is also a video, extra video here, if you want to explore that topic more. Okay? So that's it for today. See you at 10:30. Don't forget we are having the spelling test, so whiteboards needed, please. And I would like you also to have your unit of inquiry notebooks, please, with you. Okay? See you at 10:30 then.